Hi friends, let's check the IBPS recruitment of division head financial and allied services, that is and CFO. Details of the post or vacancy and selection process applicable for CA, ICWA, CS and MBA finances. Postcode 1, division head financial and allied services and CFO on contract. Number of vacancies is 1. Selection procedure, shortlisting and interview. The date of the interview, you have to register before 31st August 2020 and the date of the interview is September 2020. Eligibility criteria is division head financial and allied services and CFO on contract below 61 years. Candidate must have born after 2/8/1959. Educational qualifications are CA, ICWA, CS, MBA Finance, CA, IIB. Post qualification minimum work experience 20 to 25 years experience in handling finance, accounts, taxation, internal audit, etc. Preferable having worked CFO or worked in the accounting department or AGM or DGM or GM for at least 2 years during the last 7 years prior to retirement. The candidate should produce a certificate having the requisite post qualifications. Next, let's check what is related to us. Other eligibility criteria. His or her integrity should not be doubtful. No punishment or penalty should have been inflicted during his service or career. He or she should not be convicted by any court or cases by CBI. Good knowledge of operating in computers, etc. Compensation. Total compensation per month is 1,45,000 per month. And 3 years subject to contract period is 3 years. The 3 years qualification, 3 years contract will be renewed if the work was good. Job descriptions and responsibilities check financial and allied services, taxation, accounts, internal audit, etc. Next, how to apply. Candidates can apply online only from 12th August to 31st August and only online mode is applicable for applying. No other mode. Prerequisites, that means you have to maintain all the documents before documents, photos, photocopy, photo for attesting, and you keep the signature without capital letters. Have a personal valid email ID and the mobile number for receiving the communication by the procedure for applying online. Go to ibps.in. Click here to apply online. Click here for the new registration. Don't worry, I am giving the link of the website and the PDF link. Please check all the details once again before applying and the instructions. Candidates are required to upload the document or the photograph and the signature. Candidate are advised to carefully fill in the online application themselves, as no change in any other data in the application will be possibly entertained after submission. Register. An email or SMS intimation with the registration number generated on the successful registration of the application will be sent. That is, candidate will get the email of successful registration. An online application which is incomplete in any respect, such as without all required information, If the incomplete information is there, that application won't be considered. IBPS does not assume any responsibility for candidate not being able to submit within the last date. Please note that only valid procedure is online application. Go through the website and apply there. Please submit all documents and check all the details. Information once submitted shall be binding, and if there is any false information found later, civil consequences will be there. General instructions, read all the general instructions. IBPS can cancel the selection process at any time without giving the notification. All the above position require full 24/7 commitment to the institute. Please note the posting of the selected candidate will be in Mumbai only. That is, this job is only for the Mumbai who want to do the job in Mumbai. Accommodation on the own has to be arranged by themselves only. They won't provide guidelines for scanning and upload of the documents. Check all the details and the photograph image size, signature image size, signature, and check the scan the photograph for signature on the documents. Procedure for uploading the document, in which format you have to upload, everything is mentioned there. Then check the note which is mentioned below. Check the website where you have to apply. Click here for register. On the last date of submission of application is 31/8/2020. By logging here, you can apply. Thank you.